How to change audio track on Netflix. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can change audio track on Netflix. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type netflix.com and press enter to browse it. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you reach to this page, here start playing the TV show or movie you want to watch. Once you reach to this page, while the content is playing, move your cursor or tap on the screen to bring the playback controls. Now at the bottom right, you will find three different icons. Click on this first icon that looks like the messaging icon. Once you hover the cursor over here or click on it, you will be presented with these options. Here on this audio section, you will find various languages available for this movie. By simply clicking on one of them, you can change it to that language. Once you click on it, it will refresh and then the selected audio track will now be played along with the video. You can also explore other languages available here. Repeat the process, click on it, and that's it. You can now easily change the audio track while watching content on Netflix. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.